Assalamu alaikum, my dear fellows. My name is Shirazaka Advocate, and I mainly practice in civil, criminal, and commercial litigation matters. Basically, the basic purpose of this platform is to spread awareness amongst the citizens of Pakistan regarding the legal precedents and the jurisprudence which has been developed over the past 10 to 12 years, because over the past 4 to 5 years, very revolutionary steps have been taken in regarding the development of family laws jurisprudence. Recently, a case has been decided by the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, in which the Supreme Court has stated that if a woman seeks dissolution of marriage through Khula from a family court, and later the Khula becomes effective, and if the woman still still wants to live with her former husband, and she reaches upon an agreement, she compromises with her former husband. So what is the solution regarding, because since she has taken khula from her former husband, is there any possibility to contract to the live with her former husband within the legal means, or would she have to contract a second marriage in the form of halala, and then seeks dissolution of marriage from her second husband, and then she contracts marriage with her first husband? So in order, if after the effectiveness of hula, a woman has to entered into an agreement known as halala with a second husband, or whether she can contract whether she can whether she has to enter into a nikah with her former husband, and that would be justified. The Supreme Court has delineated principles in its latest judgment, PLD 2024, Supreme Court, page number 645, that a woman, if her khula becomes effective, does not need to enter into a halala. I've once again repeated that a woman, if she seeks dissolution of marriage from her first husband, and that khula becomes effective, then later on, if she compromises with her first husband, she would have to contract a nikah. She would have to enter into a nikah. A nikah would be narrated, and then again she can live with her husband peacefully, happily, with whom she has sought dissolution of marriage. She does not need to enter into a halala agreement with a second man. She does not need to go into a halala agreement. So this is a landmark judgment. We often consult from such people whom we consider as scholars, but these scholars' opinion are their own personal opinion. But when a Supreme Court decides an issue, it becomes a legal precedent. It becomes law of the land, my dear fellows. So this is a landmark judgment regarding family laws, that if a woman seeks khula, and that khula becomes effective, and later on she realizes that she wants to compromise with her former husband, then she just has to undergo into a new nikah, and then she can again she can live peacefully with her first husband. She does not need to go into a halala. That's the precedent set by a Supreme Court of Pakistan. It's in its latest precedent, PLD 2024, Supreme Court, page number 645. Thank you very much.